Next important topic is enzyme inhibition. This is again essay question because we have 4 types of inhibition: competitive, non-competitive, and suicidal, uncompetitive, like that. For all these 4 types, you have to give first definition, second graph, you have to draw the graph, then Km value and Vmax value, how it will get affected. You have to draw the graph for with inhibitor and no inhibitor. Lineweaver-Burke plot graph is also essential. Then clinical importance is there. You have to mention the antibiotic, antimetabolites, some drugs, how it will affect the enzymatic reaction. For all this, you have to write for this inhibition. Very, very important short notes, this inhibition, right? Second one is coming to the enzymatic action, that is mode of action of enzymes. Here we are having 2 theories. One is fit induced model, another one is koshland model. Before that, you have to draw the graph for the activation of energy, that is activation of activation of enzymes. In this activation of enzyme, with the help of enzymes, how it will come to the graph, or without inhibition, how it will take long time for the reaction occurs. Like that you have to mention. Second is active center. This is also very, very important 5-mark short notes. You have to define what is active site, and you have to draw one diagram with the graph. Then what are all the features are there, and finally you have to give some examples, right? Third one is enzyme kinetics. Very, very important 5-mark short notes. For this enzyme kinetics, the relationship between substrate, enzyme and product. How the enzyme act on the substrates, how the products will be released, what are all the interfering factors, how the substrate concentration will give in the low level of substrate concentration, high level of substrate concentration. With this graph, they are going to derive one constant, that is Km constant or Muralis constant, and what are all the salient features for this Km constant. Like that you have to mention Km value and Vmax value. So the graph is important, salient features of Km value is important, and Muralis Menten equation, how it derives the equation, also very, very important. Muralis Menten equation derive பண்ண சொல்லி உங்களுக்கு ஒரு தடவை கேட்டுருவாங்க. So these are all coming under enzyme kinetics. Okay.